Well, hello there, friends. So here we are. Another week has gone by since you saw me last, and I've been working on the shop. And believe it or not, yesterday and today I got my first paying customers come in. So I'm going to show you the projects here in a few seconds. But in the meantime, I'd like to show you what we got done during the week this week on the new upholstery shop building. So you might notice a few changes here in my office since the last video. Got a little bit more organization going on. Got my office set up because I'm now accepting customers. So I finished up some drywall here. I hung up some of the airplanes so that way they don't get damaged while they're laying around. Got my surveillance video all set up here. Got the computer stuff all set up so now I can make your videos. But look what we have here. We still have more work to do, but I think I've made some progress. Even the work table, I can see the work table now. And I can also see my sewing machine. So we got some of this stuff here cleared away. And here's Mr. Poodles. He's tired too, because he's hanging out with me all the time, huh, Mr. Poodles? Yep. Got that smile going. Yep. Figures. Gotta ham it up there. Gotta get in the picture. So anyway, this is the first real paying customer right here. It's a simple repair. I just got to repair some wood on that bottom base right there. So that's the first one. Then today, another customer came in and dropped off these seats for 1984 Dodge Ramcharger. Okay, I didn't say Chevy Blazer. I didn't say Ford Bronco. So this is a little bit more rare anyway these days. So I'm going to be doing some custom seat upholstery on these two chairs here. And we got a back seat. I'm going to match it up right here. We're going to do it in tan and brown vinyl. So that'll be an upcoming video. And I promise you're going to see that. And you know what? Yeah, we're going to start making production videos again, where I'm actually producing something where I can share my 45 years of techniques that I've learned that I will share with you. So stay tuned. So I think between this, my office, then my workspace over here with the sewing table, I'm going to be rocking here pretty soon. If you really think about it, all I have on here is just my tools. So I just got to clear that stuff off, finish the assembly of the sewing table here, and I'm going to give it a fresh new paint job. Because we're going to be fresh new. So right now would be the perfect time to hit that like button. So like. You know, it helps other people find my videos just like you did. And we can help them out too, huh, Poodles? Just like Poodle said. And those of you that remember this chair that I've been holding on to for a while now, in the last video, I said that the customer picked out her material. Well, she still hasn't brought it to me. So I guess she's technically not my first paying customer. I thought she was going to be, but that will probably also be another future video. So me and this customer, we had a really nice conversation. So he showed me pictures of his Dodge Ramcharger. It's a really nice truck. He's giving it to a 16-year-old for his 16th birthday. Lucky kid. Anyway, what we're doing here, he picked out the tan ostrich right there. And then we're going to do brown. Not the ostrich, but just the brown vinyl, which is going to be the sides. And the backs is the brown with the ostrich insert. So take a good look at this now. This is the before. Wait until you see the after. So next thing is getting this sewing table here operational. So I'm going to go ahead and get that set up here real quick. That way I can start taking care of my first customers. Should I play a trick on him? Put it in comments. Should I play a trick on him? Oh, I can't sneak up on him. Guess not. I even got my calendar here set up for my appointments. Start getting those filled in here pretty soon. I know, in comments, I know. I haven't got my hair cut yet. you know what? I'm going to get that taken care of. And we'll see by the next video. Mm-hmm. Or I kind of like it. What do you think? Just kidding. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you for hanging in there with me through this little uh, move that I'm going through here. So, you know, going out with the old and in with the new. So I guess it takes a little bit longer to make something new than it is to just be able to move into a building that's ready to go. But anyway, what I like about working on this building is I'm getting exactly what I want. So in the next video, maybe we could start some more production. So until next time, we'll see ya.